Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your BingX account using your mobile device. If you are looking to access your BingX account but aren't quite sure how to log in, then here is how you do it. First of all, launch open the BingX application on your mobile device, and from the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. You'll then come across these two buttons at the top where it says Sign Up or Login. To log into your existing account, tap the Login button in blue, and in the email or phone number tab, select which method you'd like to sign in with. Just make sure that you choose the same method that you previously chose while signing up for BingX. Since I chose email option, I'm gonna do the same. Whichever option you choose, go ahead and write down the credential. Type in your email or phone number and tap Next. On the next field, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and enter your correct password for your BingX account in the text box. If you don't remember your password, tap the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. Finally, click on Login and you'll then be able to see these security verification fields. You'll need to go check your email inbox and you'll receive a 6-digit code sent from BingX. Open up the BingX email that you received and copy the code inside it. Now paste in the security code inside the BingX app and click OK. Now you'll be able to log into your existing BingX account super easily. Now you know exactly how to log into BingX safely and efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to make your crypto experience easier and faster. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.